a big bite out of it. I dare you. Take a...
Way sour.
Take a big bite out of it. Put the whole thing in your mouth, I dare you, and then spit it out in this cup. Put the whole thing in your mouth. Bite it. Don't be scared. What does it taste like?
So super sour.
Do it again.
I'm not gonna take a big bite.
Alright.
I dare you.
Good? Okay, take one big bite and I'll turn it off. Dare you. And then spit it right out. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Big bite. How was that?
I dare you not to do that.